Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get bank statement on Monzo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to create your account on Monzo, and I'd like you to know that before you get to create your online banking account, you must have created your mobile banking account already. So set up your Monzo account on your mobile phone because you will need the details. You need to use your phone, your mobile phone, to set up your account via the online banking application on Monzo. So how do you create the online banking account? Launch in the browser of your choice. In the search bar, type monzo.com. It's going to take you to this fantastic website. Top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and then follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, I'd like you to know that only UK residents can create an account on Monzo. This means that not all of us have the luxury of creating this account, but we have the knowledge that you need to go through all of the features in Monzo. That is why we're creating this tutorial, to help you get a bank statement when you need one. So here's how you can get it. The type of bank statement you need depends on what you need it for. Now, if you need it for your records, you can find and download your statements in the Monzo application. Now, that's the mobile application. Now, the file includes part statements in the section after your main account statement. So this is the process. This is how you can get the statement. First off, tap on the home icon in your phone. You're using mobile phone. The home icon is actually at the bottom corner of your phone. So click on the home icon in the menu bar. And once you do that, you're going to see an option that says manage, which is to the right of your transaction feed. All right, so click on manage. And once you click on manage, you're going to see more options, and one of which is bank statements. So click on bank statements. And once you click on that, you're going to be asked to select the date range that you like. So from which month to which month, which date to which day, which year to which year. Select that. And once you've selected that, then you'll be asked to select the format you like the document in, either PDF, CSV, or QIF. Once you select it, then you're going to find the download option. Click on that, and then you will get your bank statement downloaded in any of the formats that you chose. Now we have for mortgage applicants, okay? We have for mortgage applicants, all right? So all you need to do for this, tap the help icon in the menu bar. Now, not the home icon. So tap the help icon and then search getting the bank statement, and then tap chat to us under the header for mortgage applications. And once you do that, you'll now be able to contact the customer service and you will be able to get that done for mortgage applications. So that's it. So we have another thing like getting full transaction history for closed Monzo account. If your account is closed, then this information will now be necessary for you. But then this is what concerns us the most. If you want to get your account, your bank statement using your Monzo account, here's exactly the steps that you need to follow. Click on home, tap manage, tap bank statements, select the date range, select the format, click download, and you'll get it done. Now go over to the tutorial from the top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.